Colleges across the country will now be forced to stop considering race in the admissions process.
This comes after the Supreme Court ruled today to end affirmative action programs and policies.
Our night team's Avery Everett looked into the question tonight that a lot of people have been asking. Avery, what's next for college admissions?
Well, Steve, Stephanie, there's still a lot that's up in the air with the Supreme Court ending affirmative action. But what we do know is it's set to begin this fall. So high school students entering their senior year will actually be the first applicants to have no more colleges that can't have that race-conscious policies. The court's decision changes legal precedent that has been in place for more than 40 years. For two groups I spoke with today, they say this decision was more than disappointing.
So for them to strike down affirmative action based on equality and based on the fact that they're trying to somehow remedy race as an issue in terms of admissions is really sad.
The whole idea of behind affirmative action was not to take rights or opportunities away from anyone. It was to recognize the challenges that we've had and that some groups of people have been placed at a disadvantage.
But some state lawmakers saw this as a victory. U.S. Senator Ted Cruz said in a statement that it was a great day for Americans. He called affirmative action, quote, government-sanctioned racial discrimination, and said the Supreme Court's decision today restored objectivity to the admissions process. This ruling happened just hours ago, but colleges have already started to respond. The president at UTSA said in part that he was not anticipating any impact from this decision because race is not used in the UTSA admissions process. It's likely that the impact of this decision will be seen at some of the country's most selective colleges, which have been known to factor race into the decision of an admission. On KSAT.com, we have an article breaking down what this could mean for legacy admissions and what changes we're likely to see in the coming months with college admissions process. But for now, I'm Avery Everett, KSAT 12 News.